I'm shifting. I'm coming for you, Dobby.
What is bro doing?
Dobby, bring me that hole. Dobby.
Not to vent or anything, but I've never had a boyfriend before, so I don't know what to do. I've been craving and burning to be held by a man!
This is not an attempt to ban TikTok. It's an attempt to make TikTok better. Tic-tac-toe. A winner. A winner.
Girl, what the fuck is you talking about?
Not gonna believe it. What? Guess what I have sitting in my backyard? A trampoline? Better. A boat? Better. Better. Well, what, Cartman? 33 aborted fetuses.
When you see water that's discarded, to open it up and dump it out. Alternately, to make sure.
Rainbow tree, plus I got this running me. Kelly yellow dancing on me, she smell the green on me. And she straight from California, freaky, yeah, she wanna. Tell me she like boys and girls, oh well, that's okay for me.
Shush, girl, shut your lips, do the Helen Keller, and talk with your hips.
I put on a black wig, got black contacts, used some makeup, and turned into a real Korean.
What about you being built like a bus driver?
What about you being built like the bus?
Well, it's time to see if I'm the main character. Personally, I have no fucking idea. I don't know what character I'd play. I don't know. Or do I? Or did I never have a doubt?
Number 9, breastfeeding.
Number 12, cock.
Honey, come downstairs and meet your new owners. Me and your dad are going on a 3-month-long business trip. I didn't have money to pay your bills, so I had to sell you the One Direction.
There's no power in what you do. Now every other day I've been watching you.
Just tell me it's not the end of the line.
I never meant to break you.
Let's hear what you got.
All right. Well, these lips.
Wrap it up. Exit that way.
Okay, people, tomorrow morning, 10 a.m., Santa's coming to town.
Yes, Robert. What do you want now? More money, a check, a car, my soul?
I made cinnamon rolls out of my yeast infection, and I have to say, they turned out pretty damn good. These are actually what I gave my husband for Valentine's Day.
Girls, that's why.
Okay, kids, here's your Sigma Meal Skibbity Slicers!
Oh, no, no!
You know, I dislike sexual assault as much as the next guy. Yeah, that's some bad stuff. Rape? Boo! Don't like it. But...
I'm quite grateful for that. But I prefer the women in my life to be under 12.
After the battle, masterless cattle, overlords hanging by a thread. With a bit of bravado, maybe tomorrow we'll be atop the heap. While the rest of hell's pissing, Alistair's missing, bled with his tail between his legs. Nature abhors the power vacuum, it leaves room for you and me, the future of hell.
Love and hate, now let me say I'm the biggest hater. I hate the way that you walk, the way that you talk. I hate the way that you dress. I hate the way that you sneak this. If I catch flight, it's gonna be direct. We hate the bitches you fuck.
Did you know? 1981 was the year that...
You're too dark. You look like a guy. And you look like you just crossed the border.
Excuse me? Gay son or thought daughter?
Gay thought or son daughter?
No, that's not what I said.
Oh, gay thoughts or $1? I'll take the $1. I already have gay thoughts.
My shake?
Sorry?
My shake?
I didn't get a shake, sorry.
Shake your booty?
Did you know? 1981 was the year that...
I consider myself an alpha male. 3, 2, 1.
Man, that's the most male toxic ass.